Good day everyone, my name is John Daniel Lingues and I am one of the presenter in this video presentation entitled Entrepreneurial Management, a presentation by Group 2 as students of City Malabon University 2021. So in this video presentation, we will tackling about the definition, the meaning of every word, and the background in order to understand this topic. Second, the entrepreneurship versus entrepreneurial management. This section will discuss about the meaning, the comparison and differences between the entrepreneurship and entrepreneurial management. Next one is the vital management issue. Entrepreneurial management is also concerned about this with regards to the entrepreneurial startup business. Next, function of entrepreneur. What are the role? What are the elements of this entrepreneurship? Let's talk about that. Next, the characteristic. What are the entrepreneur demands, expertise in the management of the entrepreneur, and also what are the impact of this to the global economy and to the business. So that will be all the overview in this presentation. So let's begin with the first presentation presented by Mecca Recto.
Good morning, everyone. For this topic, I will discuss about the definition of entrepreneurial and management. So first, what is entrepreneurial? Entrepreneurial means not just about starting a business. It is also a mindset or a way of thinking to be adaptable, flexible, and think differently in a business. Also, entrepreneurial can mean being innovative, creative, and resourceful. Next, what is management? Management is the process of coordination and managing of tasks to achieve a goal. Management can also mean an act of creating and maintaining such a business environment wherein the members of an organization can work together and achieve business objectives efficiently and effectively. So now let's move on to Goson to discuss about the next topic.
Okay, let's move on to the next topic. What is entrepreneurial management? Entrepreneurial management is supported by Peter Drucker, where he remarks that for the existing large company, the controlling word in the phrase entrepreneurial management is entrepreneurial. In any new business venture, the controlling word is management. Therefore, for the purpose of our discussion, we lean toward management as a discipline for entrepreneurs. We define entrepreneurial management as a practice of taking entrepreneurial knowledge and utilizing it for increasing the effectiveness of new business venturing, as well as small and medium-sized businesses. While the entrepreneurship, it is a concept of developing and managing a business venture in order to gain profit by taking several risks in the corporate world. Simply put, entrepreneurship is the willingness to start a new business.
Good day. This topic is about the vital management issues. First issue is, what is this venture about? Be specific on the direction of the venture and set up business expectations for short and longer terms. Second is, where should it go? Set goals and business growth objectives. This should be specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time-bound. Third is, how will it get there? Engage in activities while assessing the risk, estimate costs, and determine potential for profit and loss to have firm founding and successful performance. Fourth is, what does it need to get there? Venturing in business needed different resources like physical resources and human resources, which is an integral part of organization. Fifth is, what the structure is best. Collective skills and expertise of an organization represent the ways people and resources are brought together to accomplish work. Sixth is, how much money does it need and when? Be knowledgeable in assessing financing needs and identifying sources of funds. Seventh is, how will it recognize the final destination?
Functions of entrepreneur. First, market research. It is about collecting information that provides insights into customers' thinking. Second, public relation. It is a practice of managing the release and spread of information between individual and organization. Third, project decision. It is making process whereby leader and project team decide upon project strategy. Fourth, raising finance. It is equity in financing in raising capitals through sales. Fifth, production planning. It is a planning of production and manufacturing modules in a company or industry. 6. Innovation. Innovation means to improve or to replace something. 7. Managerial function. Managerial functions consist of post-decon, planning, organizing, directing, staffing, coordinating, and controlling.
Good morning. For the next part, we will talking about the characteristic of an entrepreneur. We have here three characteristics of an entrepreneur. First is the entrepreneur is alert to opportunities and perceptive to make things happen. It says that the entrepreneur looks at things much ahead of other people. He sees things in different ways and develops strategies to make things happen because an entrepreneur is pursuing something to make it happen. Second is the entrepreneur has the health and endurance to work long hours. It says that the dreamer entrepreneur could not stop working until he finds solution to his idea. He is willing to sacrifice personal pleasure in his quest for the true meaning of his ideal setup. Lastly, is the entrepreneur is flexible and adapt to change. In this, the entrepreneur does not have one-track mind. He finds new courses of action as he senses some danger zone with his plans. He makes easy revision, he crafts new alternative solution, and devises ways to make a difference. That's all. So, that brings us the end of our presentation and I hope that you've learned something. Thank you and have a nice day.